Hello everyone. I'd like to share my latest project. They are two fall journals. The covers I made with vintage Reader's Digest books, but with new spines. The inside is the same in both books, so I'll show the interior of one. It measures 5 inches wide, 7.5 inches high, with a 1 3/4 inch spine. There's 3 hand-stitched signatures for a total of 120 pages. Some pages have been tea stained. My main digital kit was Ephemera's Vintage Garden, Familiar Trees. I also use elements from Her Lady Eleanor's Diary. And then I've used elements from 7 other digital kits that I'll list in my Etsy listing. So I'll just go ahead and flip through the one of them. These are from the digital kit Familiar Trees. She has echo dyed paper and some of the elements here. Here is a corner tuck with tag. That's from the kit. And a layaway tag from my Etsy shop with some collage. Variety of paper. Here's this vintage envelope that I did some collage also, and inside is a Toronto Imperial Bank of Canada deposit savings department check. And also my new thing, I just love it, is Debbie Ann from Ephemera's Vintage Garden just had a YouTube tutorial not too long ago about how to take tape and make it look vintage, and I just love it. I have it throughout the journal. This is my latest ledger, which I love, with the pink and the light. I had said light gray in my previous journal, but it's light blue, light greenish. It's really nice. Edith Holden. Here is a glassine bag from my vintage shop with some collage. Here is that waxed paper, that vintage wax paper that I layered and did some sewing, and some a piece of ephemera. This is vintage onion skin paper, and I made a tag to fit that little bag. There's some drawing paper. This is the botanical book order of description, which dates from 1892. Another corner tuck with an index card. This from the kit. This is also from the kit. The other side of that ledger. This flips open. The tea dyeing is quite light. Here is also from an architectural design book, which I just love. I just found it in Maine at a flea market. This one is on trees and shrubs. Again, I printed it on vintage onion skin paper. So that's the first signature. The second is a corner tuck from the kit, echo dyed leaves. This is a guest check with some fussy cutting. The guest check is from my shop. Corner tuck with an index card, a tag, journaling card. This is a timesheet book. This is from the jeweler's envelope. And here, that's that straw paper I ordered from Italy. Some fussy cutting, a label, and another little ledger book that I got. It's really sweet, and so I got that in there. And in the back, just a little bit of fussy cutting. There's nothing inside the envelope. ledger paper, craft paper, the middle of the signature. Here I have some tags, just a piece of ephemera. This is from the Edith Holden book. That's also this this ledger. It's narrow, but it's quite long, so I folded it twice, and it's dated 1917. Here I made a little notebook, again with some little ledger books that I got. That page here, also this page here. The middle left signature has a glassine bag from my shop with some definition cards of leaf and nature. And here are just a collection of tree cards. Here's a time card from my Etsy shop that I folded up to create a pocket. And there's a Flynn card from 1912. There's a couple of little flashcards. One that says autumn, an annual. And there's some ice coupon. There's other coupons here. They're gift coupons. The other side of that time card, timesheet book. This flips open. Here another glassine bag with another. These are dies from Tim Holtz that I used to make these leaves, or ephemera. So this is the second signature. The third signature is a corner tuck, some echo die tags, again from the kit. The alteration tag from my Etsy shop, and I did some collage with the ticket and some fussy cutting. Here is index card, a tag from the kit. This is a library catalog card, and I did some collage. Unfortunately, none of them are suitable for my journals, so that's what I'll be doing with these cards, is doing some collage with them, which I don't mind. It's different. That's the bottom part of that big ledger sheet. Here's an envelope from my Etsy shop at the window. This is from the Edith Holden books on fussy cutting, and inside is a page from a vintage French school book. Some graph paper. There's that paper, straw paper. And here is from that botanical book. I scanned the entry for peach, which was dated April 26, 1898. It's an interesting book. I love it. Here is an index card tab, and with the Edith Holden paper and leaf, fussy cutting, and the label, I made a little pocket, the stamping, and inside the pocket is a poem on the autumn fires by Robert Louis Stevenson. The other side of that ledger, and this flips open. I just love the look of that tape. That's vintage writing paper. Another of these glassine bags with the oak leaf and some ephemera. And there's the back of the third signature. And here I've made a pocket, and with some paper, some eco-dyed paper from the kit. And there you go. There's the my fall journal. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.